My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked at IRS for a decade. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. One of the valuable information I can give you is, since I worked for IRS, I can tell you what IRS is going to do on every case, and I can forecast exactly what can happen and give you the best resolution. I've been on national TV many times. I've been on Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, News Nation, Newsmax. Anyway, what I want to do is give you the information that you need. This 504 is a real urgent notice. I can't tell you the urgency of this. You know, there's few letters at IRS that you really have to say, uh-oh, something's going to happen. This is one of those letters. When I was at IRS, I used to be a revenue officer, and I used to seize assets, seize bank accounts, seize wages and all that for people who got way behind. And IRS now is thinking you're way behind. And this is the letter that you have to go ahead and do something. So what you need to do is, A, take this letter seriously. 2, make sure all your tax returns are filed. And at some point in time, I would say, IRS is going to send you one more letter out, just so you know, the last letter of the collection due process, and then it's balls out. It's everything. They're going to probably do one of 3 things, or 3 of 3 things: file a federal tax lien, garnish your wages, and take your bank account. So when soon as you get the 504 letter, within that 30-day period, you got to kind of make a decision whether you're going to call or have someone to call. If what that person is going to do, whether it's you, someone else, me, whatever, is you want to have an exit strategy on the case, knowing that if you're not going to make an online payment agreement, that IRS is going to take a financial statement and either put you into currently non-collectible, make a payment plan, or you may be able to do an offer and compromise. Everyone pushes offers and compromise, settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. Just please know this: your current financial statement determines what your exit strategy is exactly on every case. Your current financial statement. If you download a 433F, that's the financial statement you're going to give IRS at the 1-800 number. But you've got to know that IRS is not going to allow your expenses that you put in there. They could, but they're going to use the Department of Labor statistics for the 4 major categories. So what you should do, if you're going to do this yourself, find out what those are by Googling IRS national standards, and you will find they will use their standards for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. Anyway, if you need me, I'm here. I've been doing this a long time. I kind of give you really cool insights into the IRS here, so give me a subscription. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening.